Hello small mobile fans, happy day to you all. The Infinix Note 8 official specifications is already out. The Note 8 has some noticeable improvements from the few months Note 7. The major difference is the Helio G80 gaming processor, which provides a 5% better gaming performance upgrade from the Helio G70. The larger 64 megapixel quad camera upgrade is pretty good, but it is quite unfortunate that there is no ultra-wide angle lens and the front dual cameras are just a 16 megapixel main lens with the not really useful 2 megapixel depth sensor. Although I appreciate the dual punch hole notch which gives the Note 8 a modern look and feel. The slight 5200 mAh battery upgrade is nice and we still get a fast 18-watt charger, but the convenient and durable USB Type-C ports will provide a faster charging experience when compared to the Note 7. I was expecting a Full HD 1080p display, but we still get same HD plus 720p screen resolution and same big 6.95 inches cinematic display size. It seems only the 6GB RAM and 128GB storage version will be available for the Note 8. Finally, it has similar side fingerprint sensor. Well, I don't think it's necessary for the Note 7 users to upgrade to the Note 8, but if you ignored the Note 7 because of the USB Type-C port, then it is safe to buy the Note 8 and you get a good camera upgrade as a bonus. On the other hand, the Note 8i is a big upgrade from the Note 7 Lite because it's using the same Helio G80 processor like the Note 8, although it will be rocking the same 48 megapixel quad camera and same 8 megapixel selfie camera like the Note 7 Lite. The side fingerprint sensor is also retained. The display size is a bigger 7 inches panel and it is a 720p HD plus screen resolution with a punch hole notch. It will also be rocking a 5200 mAh battery size with an 18-watt fast charge and a more convenient USB Type-C port. There are two 4GB RAM versions, but with a 64 and 128GB internal storage. There's also information that the Note 8i might have a cheaper variant with the Helio G70 gaming processor. It seems Infinix is saying goodbye to the X Pen or stylus, and I think they expect us to bid farewell and move on. There is no information yet on the pricings, but it is expected to be priced similarly with the Note 7. Are you excited about the Infinix Note 8 series gaming smartphones? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Kindly subscribe and turn post notification on for more updates like this. Thanks for watching, remain humble and stay safe. Bye.